Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can select multiple pictures or videos in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen or in the app screen, open up the picture gallery. Then in here, tap on pictures. Now you can see on my device, I have a few photos. If you want to multiple select your photos, then what you can do is simply touch and hold onto one of the pictures. Once you are in a selection mode, then just drag it down, but you need to do it fairly quick. Don't wait for too long. So let's do it again. So here, if I touch and hold, then I can drag it up and down. You can see when I drag it down, it will allow me to select multiple pictures. Now you can also select multiple pictures by simply touch and hold on one of the pictures. Once you are in a selection mode, you can then just drag it like that. So you don't need to touch and hold. You can do it this way as well. So here we can just simply scroll up or down. Or you can, once it is selected, you can also deselect certain pictures or videos. So here you can go one by one and deselect or select them. I can also just drag it like this to deselect them. I can drag it across. I can drag it diagonal to select it quickly or deselect them. You can also drag it down like this. So you can drag it up and down like that, or across, or diagonal. Okay, you can also tap them one by one as well. And that is how you can multi-select pictures and videos in your picture gallery. It's useful when you can select multiple items and then you can delete them all at once, or you can create a movie, an animated GIF, or a picture collage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.